everybody at home, to all the drum readers, welcome to the Kelly Khumalo Media Day. I hope you are comfortable and yeah, looking forward to everything.
Almost 3 weeks ago, you performed Asile on live. How was that experience for you?
I think for me, being on stage will forever be a new experience. For me, that is priceless. It's something that I can never trade for anything in the world. Because if you are supported, you are bound to succeed. I eat, breathe, asine. It is so scary. I log onto my page, people posting videos to me like, Kelly, over here, asine. So for me, my God, I have not been given or even given myself a chance to think about anything else except asine. Zandi has always been part of my craft, and Zandi has always been a very significant part of my career and part of me succeeding in all the things that I do. As much as a lot of people just think, oh, Zandi, it's just because of Sister Kelly, but they don't know the things that my sister does for me. Emotionally and career-wise as well. I look as good as I look because of my sister. Kids are beautiful. Christians at school, Tingo is with grandma, and I just love those two beautiful souls. They are okay. It doesn't matter how good you are, but if you don't have a strong supporting system behind you, you'll just become another great singer that the world has seen before. But the support sort of sets you apart from just a singer. You know, I do have the talent, but support for me is something that I can never trade for anything else.